In a world connected by technology, the threat of cyber scams is more real than ever. Every click, every download, every online interaction is an opportunity for scammers to strike. What's this email asking for my personal information? Cybersecurity expert. Cyber scams are evolving, and so should our awareness. Don't be the next victim. Here are some tips to stay safe online. 1. Verify. Always double-check the sender's email address and the legitimacy of any request for personal information. 2. Protect passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for each account and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. 3. Updates matter. Keep your software, antivirus, and operating systems up to date to patch vulnerabilities. 4. Educate yourself, learn about the latest scams and share that knowledge with your friends and family. By staying informed and vigilant, we can build a safer digital community. Let's outsmart the scammers together. Protect yourself. Protect others. Be cyber smart.